Hello there. Welcome to the AI SEO Tip. My name is Raulf. I'm an AI SEO and GEO expert. I'm super excited to have with me today Harold De Guzman. Harold, how's it going?
Good, Chris. Everything's good. Just keeping myself busy with the latest AI tools right now. How are you, Chris?
Good, good. So Harold works for me. We work very closely together. I'm the mastermind when it comes to thinking about what can we do in terms of implementing artificial intelligence, search engine optimization, and generative engine optimization for our customers. As part of this effort, I bombard Harold with the latest and greatest tools. And one tool that we want to talk about in today's AI SEO tip is VO3. It's a video editing creation AI tool by Google. So I'm going to share what Harold helped me create for my LinkedIn, a very nice interactive post that now includes a video that we created or that Harold created with the help of VO3. So this AI SEO tip is all about VO3. And hey, Harold, why don't I go ahead and share my screen and quickly show that post? And then I'll let you explain to our audience how you created that, I think, really cool video. Is that okay?
Yeah, please go on, Chris.
All right. And then, as always, I'm going to include the link to what I'm sharing here below in the description field of this YouTube video. So you can access all of those links right below there. All right. So let me go ahead and share my screen. There we go. Harold, can you see the LinkedIn post?
Yes, I do, Chris.
All right. Awesome. So last week I was in Switzerland, and we posted this post on how to dominate AI search with two free December events. And we're going to put the links to those webinars, AI SEO, and an online summit right below in the description field as well. So make sure to check those out. They're both free. So you can attend those and learn more about AI SEO and generative engine optimization. As you can see here, nice AI generated image. Then this is a Friday SEO tip that we recorded for the Boulder SEO Marketing website, where I'm the founder and CEO. Then as you scroll down here, this is what we're talking about. So I'm going to go full screen. I'm not sure if you're watching this video, if you're going to hear the sound, but I'm going to include the link to this LinkedIn post as well in the description field, so you can access the video there. What I want to show you is this 8-second video. All right. So this is the video, 8-second video. That's the limit right now, completely AI generated. And this is what I would like for Harold to show us. Harold, how did you create this video? All right. So if you want to go ahead and share your screen, please.
Yes, perfect. Let me share my screen right now. Okay. So, just to give you a context, for everyone that who wants to take advantage, and you must take advantage of the latest AI tools that we currently have right now. Especially for those people who have Google Workspace access already. The tool that I use to generate that 8-second clip is called Google Vids. Within this tool, it has a lot of features right now. As Chris mentioned earlier, we're using VO 3.1 right now. And then here you have an option to upload any image you want to animate. We'll be including two tools that we're using here at Boulder SEO Marketing, Chris and I. The image is from Napkin.ai. If your company you're publishing a lots of blogs, contents on your website, make sure to subscribe to this amazing tool here that we're using. So to give you an example, here you have an option to generate amazing infographics in just a matter of seconds.
Napkin.ai, that's more for still images, right? Like
Yes.
the ones that
Yes,
you're showing completely AI generated based on
completely.
the content that we're publishing.
Okay, so what I'm gonna show here is, for example, this is the image that we like. I'm gonna download this and then go back here, click image, go to downloads, and then upload that image. And then here, it's up to your imagination. How would you like this video to transform? So just a brief example, I'll just type transform this image into an animation video.
And obviously, Harold, like the more descriptive the prompt, right? The more
Yes,
elaborate the 8-second video is going to be.
it's already generating right now. We're at 55%. This should take up at least 1 to 2 minutes. Uh, and the great thing about VO 3.1 is it includes audio already. So to make your blog or newsletters more interactive.
Absolutely. And yeah, I'm going to include again that link to that LinkedIn post that I shared before that includes the video. Why don't you quickly wait? We're nearly there. So we're essentially using an AI tool, Napkin.ai, right, to create a still image, and then we upload that into another AI tool, a video creation tool called VO 3.1. And hopefully we're going to see the result here in just a second. Obviously, this is using a lot of bandwidth, right?
Yes.
Harold, do you have any other favorite image generation tools, video generation tools, or are these the one that we're working with right now?
Yeah. Currently, these are the main ones that we're using right now. But on our next episodes, I'm happy to share more of the tools that we're using right now.
Awesome.
Here, yeah. So here it generated the video already. So let's watch it all together. I'll press play right now.
Wow, look at that. It's tilting. Very cool. Right. So this is just for the purpose of showcasing this tool. Obviously, the better the prompting, the better the output. It's truly amazing what can be done with these AI image generation and AI video generation and editing tools. I think it adds a nice effect to content that's usually just stale. It breaks up the content by adding these images. And Harold, you do a fantastic job. Yeah. So again, two amazing tools that we're using here at, Chris Raulf AI and SEO, my personal website that's all about AI and SEO, and also over at Boulder SEO Marketing, where we help local service businesses with their SEO getting to the top in Google. We're going to throw the links to the information that we showed here below in the description field of this video. As always, stay safe and healthy. I hope you learned something new, and make sure to smash that subscribe button if you're watching this first tip here. We always share incredible information. Yeah, until next time, thanks so much for watching this video. Thanks, Harold.
Thanks, Chris. Bye, everyone.
Bye.